Hey, it's Jeff again, Green Country Custom Baits. Paint session for you today. One of the last ones in this Wigglewort series that we're doing on this custom order. We've got the brown and orange Craw, and we've got a kind of a unique stencil pattern that we're using on that we haven't used in a very long time. And it's a good mix of a dark brown and orange. I don't know if that's going to pick up in my camera there, but brown and orange Craw, here we go. Let's get right to it. Spray some paint. All right, we're going to be doing a custom brown and orange Craw. Wasn't given a lot of direction on that, so we've got some freedom to kind of just play. So what we're going to do on this one today, I'm going to find my old 3D stencil and use this one a long time. Think this will be a cool little pattern if I can get it to fit. We're going to throw down just a little bit of the black. Get our black pattern on first, and so we're just going to be following the stencil. Painted so much today, my daggum hand's cramping up. How about some of that? All right. This is a two-part stencil. It's got a cool look to it, right? It's an old stencil. I don't remember where I got this stencil. I think this one might have been the one I got overseas in Australia or something. But anyway, what that's going to do is give me a little pattern to go by, and then we're going to start laying our colors in. And this is going to be a brown orange Craw. So
Well, guys, what do you think of the brown and orange crawl? It's not a bad looking pattern. You can't beat browns and oranges. Just about any kind of watercolor. And so we have, I think, concluded the Wiggle Wart series that we had for this particular customer. So, hey, and next week we may be doing some more custom work. We may be doing some recommended patterns. Keep coming with them. Eventually, I'll get to them. Thank you guys for watching. Comment. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. See you next week.